Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Slam Dunk application on your Android device. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your Android and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the bottom center of the screen and tap the search icon. In the search bar, type in Slam Dunk. After you do that, you will then be able to see the search results. Tap on the Slam Dunk game from Jamaica GmbH. Once you do that, from this page, tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the play button to play the game. And there you have it. That is how you easily download and install Slam Dunk on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.